Hi, Chris. How are you doing? So, why do directors look at you and think superpowers?
I don't know. I mean, it's funny. That's really not the case. That makes it sound as if they hunt me down. They don't. No, I have to hunt them down. The movies that I've done that happen to have these kind of abilities in them, you know, I've had to fight for them. I've had to audition, and I've just randomly been lumped in that category. But it's not intentional.
And it makes it sound like it's all action, but it's not. This is character driven, right?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I play Nick Gant. He's a mover. He's telekinetic, and he doesn't really use his powers very often. His father was killed by Division, this branch of the government that tracks us down. So as a result, he's kind of rejected his abilities, and he kind of hides out in Hong Kong and meets Dakota's character, and they kind of form this friendship, this bond.
Was it different doing stunts not in front of a green screen, but actually being there on set and doing real stunts?
Sure, yeah. It's much more hands-on, you know, and it's having a tangible world to play off of as an actor can only help, you know. So not hanging from a wire surrounded by a green screen definitely lent itself to the performances.
And shooting in Hong Kong?
Tricky. I just missed home. You know, I get homesick easy.
So I hear that he didn't even block off the streets. You guys were actually just doing things live.
You can't block off the streets, you know. Yeah, so you're just walking through the people who live in Hong Kong, going about their day.